Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to create a trade locker account. So friends, if you want to create account, go to Google, search for trade locker. This is the keyword. Click on this first website, click start trading. You can create a demo here. When you click start trading, you can pick a challenge or you can pick a broker, and then you can, if you want to use a demo, just click this one. This is for a demo, and then use your account you want to create, sign up. For example, I want to use my Google account. Just choose your Google account here. After that, when you choose your Google account, set up your accounts here, and then you will redirect it to TradeLocker account. So this is my account, as you can see here, and this is the dashboard. You can start trading and you can start use this platform TradeLocker without any problem. Basically, this is how you can do. This is for a broker or real accounts. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video.